I remember you.
The cute cut. The one at graduation, before that road trip.
The one I got when we broke up.
The natural hair that I always wanted.
The curls.
The straight hair.
The blue dye.
The highlights.
The cheap curling iron.
The hairspray.
The tight ponytail.
I remember every wild hair moment.
But I want to forget the damage. That's why I have my VAND.
My personal shower purifier.
VAND purifies the water before it gets to my hair.
And it adds back essential vitamins and minerals.
The VAND is a water purification system customized to me and my hair.
It lets me be my authentic self.
It lets me give my hair and skin the natural, pure water it deserves.
Here's to all my past and presents.
All the people I was.
All the people I want to be.
All the people I am.
We are an experienced team of researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs, leveraging our diversity to bring the VAND to life.
To us, honest and meaningful design is timeless, and from the very beginning, we took steps to ensure that all our research, innovation, technology did not detract from making the VAND useful, aesthetically pleasing, of course, but also intuitively understandable.
In this project, we were thorough down to the last detail, making a conscious effort to ensure environmental friendliness at every step. We cut out unnecessary features and materials, minimized visual and physical pollution, and focused on the essential aspects, knowing that, ultimately, environmental impact is minimized when you design a product with a long life cycle.
We know you will love the VAND as much as we do. Thanks for helping us bring it to life.